Good morning students. Today we will study class 4th chapter number 5 introduction to MS PowerPoint 2010. Okay, after that in this today we will cover here three topics. Number 1 is your deleting text, after that copying, cutting and pasting the text. Now the third one is your moving the text. What is your deleting the text? To delete text to the left of a cursor, press the backspace key to delete text. To the right of the cursor, press the delete key. Okay, how you can delete a text? Let me show you. First of all, let me open anything in the MS Word. See, I have written here. This is the text has been written here. If you want to delete anything, any word, anything you want to delete here, you can. What you have to do to delete the text to the left of the cursor? If you want to delete from left, then you have to press the backspace. Okay, you have to press the backspace, then your text has been deleted. After that, to delete the text to the right of the cursor, press the delete right and then press delete. See, one by one it is deleting. Okay, this is the way you can delete one by one by using backspace or the delete key. After that, there is the way you can delete all the text which you have written. Okay, now what you have to select, first of all select the text to be copied. Now first of all you have to select the text. Let me select, this is the text we have selected. After that, now click on the copy command on the home tab. After that, place the cursor where you wish to paste the text. After that, click on the paste command. This is the text you want to copy or paste. This is the way you can delete. After that, there is one shortcut also you want to delete. If you want to delete from question number 1 to question number 5, it will take time when you press backspace. If you want to delete, you can, first of all you have to place a cursor on the right. After that, select the text. All text has been selected. You can see the text has been selected. After that, press backspace. Your all text has been deleted. This is the way you can delete a text, and by using Ctrl plus Z. You see, I will told you one thing extra, that is, see, the text has been selected and I have pressed here backspace. Text has been deleted. Now press Ctrl and Z. Your text will be in the front of your screen. This is the way you can check. After that, what is our next topic? Our next topic is copying, cutting and pasting the text. If you want to copy, you want to cut or you want to paste any text, then what you have to do? First of all, you have to select the whole text. Okay, suppose I have to copy Imperial School of Excellence Holidays homework, copy on class 4th. Here I want to copy. Then what I have to do? First of all, I have to select the text.